Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to configure a SIP trunk from the DataNetwork provider. Here we have the data sheet they provide us with. We have a main number, a password, and the server IP where we are going to send the calls. As an additional note, it adds that we can target port 5060 or 1221, also using the G711A or G711U codecs, and for better voice compression with the G729 codec. We proceed to see how we would register it on the IP PBX side. We go to trunk extension, VoIP trunks. I have this SIP registered, so we are going to edit it. It asks us to add a name. The trunk type will be a registrar trunk. It asks us for a name. The host name is the IP address where we are going to send the calls, which is the IP address provided by the carrier. The transport will be UDP. The Keep Trunk Caller ID option remains checked, and the Need Registration and Allow Outgoing Calls options are automatically checked. We just add the user, which would be the trunk number, and the password we used to register it. The rest remains at default. We click Save and apply changes. Once the changes are applied, we will see this trunk registered in the dashboard, and here we would see it in blue. Now we must create the inbound and outbound rules. Go to inbound routes, add a name, put a downward exclamation mark in the pattern, add the extension, and click Save. We go to outbound route, click on Add, enter a name, add the direct dialing pattern _X point, set a privilege, and add the phone line. We click Save and apply changes. Once applied, we go to Active Calls and proceed to perform a test. We dial from extension 1000 to a cell phone number. The call starts, the dialing begins, we wait for the call on the cell phone, it will arrive there, we answer it, and we will have two-way audio. We hang up, now we dial the incoming number, we start the call will arrive at extension 1000, we answer the call, it is established, and there will be two-way audio. We hang up, and with that, we finish the test. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do, leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.